Across industries, leaders are navigating challenges that feel beyond their control. Unpredictable demand, economic uncertainty, and fierce competition are reshaping how industries operate. The winners will be those who can turn that complexity into opportunities for growth and measurable value. Infor Industry AI Agents help you scale your operational advantage with role-based AI agents infused into your industry processes. Each agent is trained for a specific role, working alongside you to automate repetitive tasks, analyze real-time data, and guide your decisions. They're built on the Infor Industry Cloud platform, so they're ready to work from day one, no complex training or integration delays. You access them through Infor Gen AI Assistant, where every conversation becomes action with agents by your side. Like a project manager, working together with manufacturing agents to flag delay projects, analyzing root causes to protect margin. A service planner, working alongside distribution agents to manage heavy equipment effectively by analyzing equipment, creating work orders, scheduling maintenance, and notifying technicians. Warehouse managers in service industries work with supply chain and procurement agents to see what's in stock and what's already on order. In manufacturing, distribution, and service industries, our agents come pre-built for your micro-vertical, already tuned to how your business works. And they're powered by three things no one else combines: context, completeness, and control. Our agents are built with the industry context on your micro-vertical's process catalogs and value maps. They act on real-time, unified, AI-ready data, grounded for precision, so that they orchestrate workflows securely across Infor Industry Cloud platform with human oversight at every step. Start with our library of pre-built agents or create your own with all the tools you need. Unlock value with Infor Industry AI agents infused in your industry processes.